Oh, there's other people. I'm doing it right there. The sand is left. What the fuck? Yeah. The sand is left.
Oh, that?
You guys want to check that out though? Picture. Yeah. Just make sure you're around. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't go up high. It has to be right there.
I don't know, man.
No, it doesn't. I mean,
I've been seeing a lot of those signs.
If you don't want to come all this far when you're this far in the coolest whole trip and you're like turn around. The guy's digging for diamonds and he gives up right before he
Bro, I'm so happy I wore these goddamn joggers. Looking at Joe's feet.
How come?
He didn't look like he didn't really get caught up in the mud.
No, this is the road to go back, remember? They were telling us about, Joe?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh. So is this the way that we're going
back? We can fly back on this road.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
But let's just, I think we should just check. Yeah, I think we're right.
Bro,
I know I've been saying this before.
you afraid of a load of mud?
No, I'm just glad I got the joggers on, bro.
All right, good for you.
Relax, bitch.
Hey, I'm so happy.
Why are you trying to tear me down,
Hey.
bitch? Fuck you.
Wow, I'm so happy for you that you decided.
Hey, I'm glad you got your nice little birthday gift.
Hey, they legit said on the way back, take the road and not the trail, and you'll go a lot faster.
Facts.
I think we can fly on that trail.
Facts. Oh, I think that's that couple coming back down.
You see them?
Yeah.
So, if we would have turned around right here, come on, bro.
Eh. I had a good time. How was it? Is it? Sweet.
How much further is it from right here?
It's cool and nice and you should do it. It's good time.
Fair enough.
Hell yeah, thank you.
Like
How far?
less than 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
I believe you guys.
Appreciate you guys.
Hey,
Take
you guys
care.
have fun.